here. Next, I'm going to do with this one today. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it in now. We found this the other day. I have shown it. We can see the spheres on it there. You know, quite big, aren't they? So I'm going to cut this in half. They were found just the other day. Look how nice that is inside. Absolutely beautiful. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dry this one off. And this one. There we go, far up. Don't mind, look, we'll do one. We'll just do the front of this one. We found this the other day over there. How can you keep this fit? And hi to all subscribers. And new subscribers. What I'm trying to do now is just try to get the really deep cuts out, the blaze marks off the floor. Done it. Maybe we've not done one of these for quite a bit now. Just down to well out a little bit. Anyway, we've been going 4 or 5 minutes now, so let's start on the. Oh no, let's start at 150. looking nice already. It's nice to show the people the proof. Look at that. Getting hot. Now don't forget, this is a siderolite meteorite. It's found here in the Peak District. In Derbyshire. So all I need to do is really to show you these beautiful meteorites. You see, they also be found here in the UK, Britain. But you know, I thought I had the end of that one then, and I didn't. I did it without it. I wonder why it wasn't getting any clean. I forgot to put the bloody pad on. I've done that before. I'm not going to cut it out because it's a mistake I make all the time. Getting any shinier. It was and I forgot to put it on. And now I've ruined the end of it. But I have more, don't you, buddy? need a bit of clean off now. Now. To upstairs. It really is. Anyway, put a bit of polish on it now. There's the other half, and there's that half. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And there's the other half. Look, I'll do that one later. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this one. Look at that. Siderolite Meteorite. Absolutely beautiful. There you go. Meteor Max just showing you some more food. That was Meteorite to be out there. Absolutely looking beautiful. Look that cute. One more look. Meteor Max. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe or like, comment. Don't forget, anybody wants this or the other one, they're for free. My email's in the description at the bottom. And this is Meteor Max. Thank you again to all subscribers, new subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.